Jody, this is Jared Kimball with spamspurt.com. You got quite a few questions here that you're asking. First of all, I'm going to just go down the list and do my best to answer them. You're asking, the main question you ask is, where can I email my support questions? It is a little difficult to find if you're not looking in the right place, but basically you just go to the help menu. You can go anywhere in your application. You can click on any of the articles, the custom Q&A, anything. It doesn't really matter. Ask your question, view my support cases. We'll just click view my support cases, but you can click any of those links. And what it does is it brings you into the Infusionsoft Help Center. And if you look right over here, you have report a problem. If you click that, what ends up happening is it brings you to where you can create a case, and then you can type in your summary of the situation. And if you ask, you have an how do I, you just select that and then you type in your message here, just like so. And that will take care of that part. As far as how you email your support case, you don't really email, it's more like you open a case as far as Infusionsoft goes. To go into your second part of your question, you ask, I need to know how to edit my order form HTML. And I also want to know, we'll start with that one, how to edit your order form HTML. So what you'll do is you go to Setup, you go to Order Forms. You have to create an order form first and save it. After you have added an order form, and we'll just call this test, just for grins and giggles. We'll call it test. I'm not going to worry about setting it up and going through the different parts here, but after you've given it a name, and there we go. Okay, now it's saved. So the order form is added, as you can see right here. You'll notice right here it says configure templates. So you click that. It opens up a new window. What you'll have to do is you have to basically have the HTML code that you want to configure. You can have one that you've already added, or you can select the one from your shopping cart. But all you'll need to do is just click add. It opens up a new window. And then right here is where you give it a template name, and then you click your source and you paste the HTML code here or edit it. You can configure it the way you want it to look, so on and so forth. But that's how you edit your order form HTML. Okay? Alright, and then on to your second part of that question. You said, I also want to know when you send an invoice, how you can get them to click something in that invoice to pay it. So basically what you're going to end up doing in order to address this part is you're going to have to check here, send the customer an email with an attached invoice as soon as they order, and you'll need to pick one of your templates. Okay, so I'm just going to pick something. It's called congratulations, or if you don't have one, you click add, and we'll just click add. Get our pop up here, and we'll bring this guy over. So here's you have to give your email template a name, and then give it a subject line, all that stuff like that. What you'll end up doing is when you go in here, you want to edit your content, and we'll just go to Classic Builder. And in here, what you'll need to do is you said, I want to send them an invoice. How can you get them to click something in that invoice to pay it? This is kind of tricky. Basically, what you have to do is you have to have a link to your shopping cart or to that product, or a place where they can make the transaction. So basically what you'll need to do is you'll need to take, for example, you're going to use this order form. This will be the link that you can use that they can click to make a payment. Hopefully you understand that. And then, let me bring up that email template. You'll just paste in there like so. So then you'll have your content in there, and it'll take them straight to the order form or something along those lines where they can make the actual payment, put in the credit card details, and transact through your Infusionsoft system. I hope that helps you out, Jody. If you still have questions, feel free to ask them away. I'll do my best to help you out. Once again, you can find me on spamspurt.com, and hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks, Jody. I'll talk to you later.